All right, and it is lift off. First flight, and this one happens to be in London, Ontario. Not to be confused with London, England, but then again, what's there to confuse? All right, off we go. So, first thing that you'll note about this area is the abundance of greens, and that's really the big thing about it. Here's another look at it just from slightly different angle. Not bad, eh? It's pretty far away from a rich area, but it's pretty nice. But what's even more impressive is the quality of this recording. So I leave you with just a little bit of greenery for improved mood.